To install a blade onto the Cos-Tool knife, first loosen and remove the blade holder. Install the blade onto the peg and replace into the knife. Then retighten the blade holding knob. To set the depth of the Cos-Tool knife, extend the blade to the necessary depth and retighten the knob. To use the Cos-Tool knife, always use foam board underlayment under the foam you intend to cut. Extend the blade to the necessary depth. Now, holding the knife at a roughly 45-degree angle, draw backwards through the foam to make your cut. The Cos-Tool knife can also be used up against the Cos-Tool Channel Rail. Visit our website to see the entire Cos-Tool family.